Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open a stuck or a broken washing machine door handle. So this one here is already broken, and this is the Electrolux washing machine. So if it is broken and you cannot open it, what you can do is get a screwdriver or a metal piece like this one here, and what you want to do is in here there is a small slot that you want to put in like this. And then you need to use the screwdrivers or this metal piece and then kind of turn and twist. You need to use a little bit of force to do it. So put it in here and then you just push it to your right hand side and that will open the door. Okay, let's try it again. So I kind of bent it around like this, but if you got a screwdrivers or a spoon, whatever you have at home, just poke into this hole right here and then push it to the right. You can see it will turn. There is a spring in there, and this will allow you to open the washing machine door. And this is how it works. There is a small hook right here, and that hooks onto this latch or the pot in here, and that's how it gets locked. And if the door handle is broken or the door gets stuck, you can use a piece of metal to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.